India da pangthokliba G-20 summit asigi manung chana Manipur dasu business summit ngarang hokre ngarang mapungoi ba thoram sing Imphal East District ki City Convention Center da pangthokraba matungda ngasi foreign delegates sing asibu Manipur gi tourist destination kayama da puduna yengan bagi saruk amoy na ngasi nini chanbada Imphal East District ki hangang kendra da leiba margin polo statue complex da mayam foreign delegates sing su okna ba thorang tawduna puna maksem saba loire hauzik ELITETV na mapam kaya da Manipur gi tourist destination sing asibu yengan bagi saruk amoy na mitna uba paudam sing mayam da kudol tamjari
Driving distance. We need to put in place this infrastructure. Yeah. This is very important. They have ruled the state for 7 years. Agartala, Assam, and so it's a very deadly weapon. Arambai, we call it. This is a good concept. This is the brace that
instead of helmet we use turban as a point for the safety. Only the pongyok which is the
Nares.
was paid by our Lord. This is pray to the Lord to use the game of this by this fourth serial and
hauzik miyam na uriba si Manipur da pangthokliba G-20 gi manung channa business summit ngarang Imphal East District City Convention da hokdokraba tungdang asi foreign delegates sing asibu akhoi Manipur da lariba tourist sites sing sibu yengan bagi saruk am oina Imphal East District ki hangang kendra da lariba polo statue complex asibu yengan bagi saruk am oina ngasi miyam na taram na okpagi mitno ba paudam duni miyam da kudol tamjari basi
okay.
B-20 summit. As a part of this very program, we would be showcasing the Arambai and the game of polo, very small, like Eastern Valley of Manipur. We gave the world of our civilization our small kingdom. The attached to the feathers, I would like to call on our Arambai players.
पूरी लिस्ट ढूंढ रहा था नाम के लिए
This is a style played globally. However, the Manipuri style played several times is played 7-a-side. There are no goal posts. There are no rules. It is free for all. The entire breadth is the goal post. We would like to wish our horses as one of our deities. The very holy.
Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good.
So far, how is your stay in Imphal?
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's wonderful. I love the people of Manipur. Yeah, they are really friendly, and I love to stay more in Manipur. It's very beautiful. It's almost similar to my country also, with the ridges all around.
You are from Japan, sir?
No. I'm from Bhutan.
Bhutan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I think you might be aware polo originated from Manipur. So this is a statue depicting a polo, a guy riding a polo statue. And this is 122 feet tall. So what do you feel? What do you have to say about the statue?
Yeah, I know about this polo. I heard yesterday only, because Manipur is the birthplace of polo. Yeah. So I think it's 100 and plus 22 statue is quite big, and it's very beautiful. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I love to see the statue also, and of course I took some photo from there before I'm visiting this place. Okay. It's beautiful.
We have many trips coming up right now, so you are looking forward to many places?
Like in future, you are
No,
talking
today
about.
only we are going.
Yeah, today we are going to other places, but I don't know exactly the name.
Okay.
But they are going to take us to the other places also. So we are very much interested to go and see.
Thank you for talking to us.
Okay, thank you so
Hope
much.
you enjoyed the day today.
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
How is your stay, by the way, here?
Stay is very good, and I like the hospitality of the Manipur. It's very warm and very welcome.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Dr. Uttam Singhal. I am Indian Council of Business Chamber of Asian and Gulf Country and Group Managing Director of TWI Group of Company with different verticals and different companies.
So far, have you cracked any business deal yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday we discussed some project for logistic and this food processing unit. And now it is on discussion. Maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will get the concrete details. Then everything is going well, then we will invest it.
Is it like meeting your expectations so far?
Yeah, meeting your expectation, and I really appreciate your CM. It is very good person, and in terms of their vision, it's very clear. So definitely, if anything is good is happening, we will definitely do.
Do you have any idea about this place you are visiting right now?
This is, I think, first place of polo something.
Polo originated in Manipur.
Yeah, polo originated
So
in
this
Manipur.
is a statue which is 122 feet tall.
Okay.
It's the biggest statue in the world.
Great.
So, I hope you're enjoying.
Yeah, I'm enjoying, and thanks to you peoples, because Manipur people are very kind and very friendly.
Okay. There are many trips coming up right now. We hope you enjoy the trip for today. All the best.
Thank you so much. Yeah, bye.
I'm Nirupam Srivastav. I'm with the Hero Group, and it's a wonderful monument here. It's so fascinating to understand that Manipur is the originating place for what we now call as polo. There's a traditional name, what's called?
Sagol Kangji.
Sagol Gangzi, and it's a wonderful thing. It starts in AD. It's not even, so it's hugely historical importance for us. And of course the pony, which I saw, it's again very unique to Manipur, and I think we should all preserve our natural heritage as well as our cultural heritage. So thank you for showcasing this wonderful monument as well as the culture of Manipur.
Thank you for your kindness, sir. Like, look, talking about business, have you cracked any deals yesterday?
Yes, so we are in discussions with the government, and of course we are in connect with a lot of other delegates who have come from different parts of the world. So it's very interesting to see. We see a lot of potential in technology space, tourism and hospitality, and healthcare, medical tourism. So these three sectors I think are quite promising.
Is it meeting your expectations so far right now?
Absolutely, it's wonderful. It's a very good event and organized very well. And again, thanks to all the organizers and CII and the Government of India, Government of Manipur. Wonderful event happening there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.